yung presentation ng name, nasa chant na.
Hindi, pangalan niyo muna. Pakilala niyo.
Ay, kilala.
Okay.
So our team is Amygdala team.
Amygdala.
Amygdala.
Amygdala. Amygdala. Okay.
Balikwan siya.
It is a part of the brain.
Nursing. Assign nursing. Ambulance, please.
Part of the brain responsible on feelings of people, emotions, something like that. And the reason why yan yung napili is that as as a youth and as a member of Pilipinas natin, we should be emotionally sensitive enough to understand peoples kasi hindi natin maintindihan yung ibang tao kung hindi naman natin alam intindihin yung sitwasyon nila. Tanong ko sa inyo, paano nyo tutulungan yung mga tao kung hindi nyo naman nararamdaman yung part nila? Well,
True.
makatulong ka man, then hindi bukal sa puso mo yun. It means gusto mo lang ng certificate, something like that. Ganun yun. Pero pag gusto mo talagang tumulong at nararamdaman mo yung pakiramdam, then hindi mo isipin na may certificate or wala. Diba? Ganun yun. And then why yung design niya is kamay? That is,
Nasaan yung
actually kamay yan. Kamay namin dalawa yan. Apat. Why? Bakit kailangang dalawang kamay namin yung nagsama dyan? Na as a team, kailangang dalawang kamay yung naghahawakan, hindi lang yung isa. Na in case man na magbumitaw yung isang pair, meron pang isang pair. And why yung kamay is naka-open. And as a youth and as a Pilipinas nating member,
Mare.
para maka-help tayo sa ibang tao, kala naka-open yung kamay, hindi naka-close. Kasi ang symbol ng kamay, naka-open na kamay is hanggang tumulong. Yes. Open sa lahat ng pangyayari sa buhay. Kahit anong problem, is open yung kamay. At tumulong.
O, game
That's
chance.
all.
Magcha-chance na.
Ulit, amigdala po ah. Amig.
It
Dala.
pronounced amygdala.
Amigdala. Okay.
3 seconds.
Kanina pa.
1, 2, 3, go. At isa.
Ay, wala yan. Dala.
Okay, sige, go.
Alam mo, with passion.
Okay.
Sabi ng passion.
With emotion. And everything. Bro, kaya mata.
Sige.
1, 2, 3, go.
Tatlo ba? Hindi mo sila amigdala.
Anya naman.
Wala ka. Sige, okay. Take 3. Yes.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Amigdala.
Okay. Palakpakan na. Yay! Mag-carry lang yan. Ta-ta-ra-nan-tan.
Ayaw ko yung mahulog na ka.
Dito!
Sayo kasi ng sayo si Kuya. Da, joke lang yun. Alam ko naman kaya natin magkatagal.
Pag nabasag yan!
Ganun na lang ba dito?
Dapat kanyo, pag alam nyo na mahuhulog.
River na to, itong activity na to, hindi lang yung sarili natin yung dapat mag-victor. We must be victorious.
Hindi tinbay.
1, 2, 3,
Action! Take 2!
1, 2, 3, go! V! I! C!
Magkaiba sila ng palakpak.
5, okay.
May conflict.
1, 2, 3, go! V! I! C!
Nagkamali daw yung spelling mo.
O! R! I! O! U! S! Victorious! Victorious! Go! Go! Go!
From that
I'm April and we are victorious! pirates. Kasi busog-lusog. Bakit ba busog-lusog?
Ikaw nga.
Halang palang
Halata naman. Hindi. Tapos parang ano lang. Para may palusot lang.
May pirata ka ba?
Oo, meron.
Oo, meron.
Hindi ayun, bakit busog-lusog? Para kasi nga hirap niyang isipin kung bakit siya may connect dito sa activities. Pero naisip na lang namin na kunyari hindi naman palusot. Na ano, parang yung advocacy namin ay ano daw, contra hunger, diba? Busog-lusog. And at the same time, ay ano, contra sa malnutrition. So, ayun. Tama na. Tapos ano, ayun, explain niya yung bakit ganito yung flag niya.
Kasi ganito yung vlog na parang pirata is tulad ng pirata is they are taking risk sa adventure. Tapos tulad dun sa kung nanonood kayo ng cartoons One Piece kahit pork, parang pork nga.
Parang namukha kayo.
Lusog. Itaas ang tama. Lusog. Arr!
Maybe it's the way she walked straight into my heart and stole it through the doors and past the guards, just like she already owned it. I said, can you give it back to me? She said, never in your wildest dreams. And we danced all night to the best song ever. We knew it every night. Now I can't remember how it goes, but I know that I won't forget her. 'Cause we danced all night to the best song ever. I think it went oh oh oh. I think it went yeah yeah yeah. I think it goes. Said her name was Georgia Rose. And her daddy was a dentist.
Yung tipong we're born like a heroes, right? Yung tipong sabi nga, we can be a hero in our society today. In which means we can serve other people without any considerations, without any situation na walang kapalit. We can lead people without any hesitations, without any grumbles in our life. Kung bakit ganito yung abstract actually, may nakikinig pa ba?
Oo, kami.
Nagsisialisan na sila.
Hindi, nagpre-prepare lang sila sa challenge niya.
Ayan.
Sige, andito kami.
Bakit hindi maintindihan yung mga ginawa ko? Actually, abstract yan. Kung saan, abstract talaga na hindi mo maintindihan kung ano yung ginagawa ng bayani from the start to finish. Ayun. Yun lang.
Okay, Chan.
Diyan.
Ulit.
Timbayani.
Timbayani, Timbayani, kami ay number one. Timbayani, Timbayani, kami ay number one. Timbayani.